Listen up, you lot, winter's coming and you know what that means? No, not just Christmas pudding and mince pies. It's time to get your kitchen stocked with the season's most vibrant, delicious, and downright nutritious vegetables. We're talking about the kind of produce that'll put some color in your cheeks and fire in your belly. Forget those bland, out-of-season excuses for vegetables. We're going for flavor, freshness, and the satisfaction of cooking with the best that nature has to offer. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, get ready to discover 12 winter vegetables that are as easy to grow as they are to cook. We'll be diving into their unique benefits, sharing some cracking recipes, and making sure you're prepped and ready to conquer the winter season with delicious home-cooked meals. Let's get started. First up, we've got kale, the king of greens, and for good reason. This leafy powerhouse is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, making it a nutritional triple threat. Vitamin A, essential for keeping your peepers sharp and your skin glowing. Vitamin C, well, that's your immune system's best friend, fighting off those winter bugs like a champ. And vitamin K, that's the bone builder, making sure your skeleton is strong enough to withstand even the most brutal winter winds. Don't be fooled by its tough exterior, though. Kale can be massaged into tender submission for salads, sautéed to perfection as a side dish, or even baked into crispy chips for a healthy snack. Next up, we're tackling those often misunderstood mini cabbages, Brussels sprouts. Listen, if you've only ever had them boiled to mush, you haven't truly lived. These little green gems are bursting with fiber, which keeps your digestive system running like a well-oiled machine. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, those little warriors fighting off inflammation and keeping you in tip-top shape. The key to unlocking their full potential? Roasting. Toss them with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and roast them until they're caramelized and crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Trust me, you'll be coming back for seconds. Let's move on to a classic, the humble carrot. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This root vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. We all know carrots are good for our eyes, right? That's thanks to beta-carotene, which our bodies cleverly convert into vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision. But did you know beta-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage and giving you that healthy glow? Whether you're enjoying them raw, roasted, or blended into a vibrant soup, carrots are a versatile and delicious addition to any winter menu. Now let's talk about beets, those vibrant root vegetables that stain your fingers and pack a nutritional punch. Beets are a fantastic source of nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. And what does nitric oxide do? It helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow, and potentially lowering blood pressure. That means better circulation, improved stamina, and maybe even a little boost in the gym. Don't be afraid to get creative with beets. Roast them, pickle them, or even use them to add a splash of color and sweetness to your salads. Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Well, he was onto something. This leafy green is a true nutritional superhero packed with iron and calcium. Iron is crucial for healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body, keeping you energized and alert. Calcium, on the other hand, is essential for strong bones and teeth, helping you maintain a healthy smile and a sturdy frame. Whether you're adding it to smoothies, sautéing it with garlic, or layering it into lasagna, spinach is a versatile and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Let's give it up for Swiss chard, a leafy green often overshadowed by its more popular cousin, kale. But don't underestimate this nutritional powerhouse. Swiss chard is brimming with vitamins A, C, and K, making it a triple threat against winter ailments. But here's where it really shines. Swiss chard is a fantastic source of potassium and magnesium, two minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. So, if you're looking for a delicious way to support your heart health, look no further than Swiss chard. Sauté it with garlic and lemon, add it to soups, or even enjoy it raw in salads. Time to show some love to parsnips, those sweet and earthy root vegetables that often get overlooked. Parsnips are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which is essential for a happy and healthy gut. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, keeping things moving smoothly. Roast them, mash them, or add them to stews for a comforting and flavorful winter meal. Don't underestimate the humble turnip. These root vegetables may not be the most glamorous, but they're packed with nutrients and surprisingly versatile in the kitchen. Turnips are low in calories but high in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They're also a good source of antioxidants, those little warriors that help protect your cells from damage. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups and stews for a hearty and flavorful meal. Let's add some spice to the mix with radishes, those peppery and crunchy little vegetables that add a burst of flavor to any dish. Radishes are a good source of antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones, nerves, and muscles. They're also low in calories and carbohydrates, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. Enjoy them raw in salads, sliced thin on sandwiches, or pickled for a tangy treat. Move over, onions, there's a new allium in town. Leeks, with their milder, sweeter flavor, are a fantastic addition to soups, stews, and risottos. But they're not just about flavor. Leeks are also a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. They're also a good source of prebiotics, which act as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy digestive system. So, next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a few leeks and get cooking. Cabbage, often relegated to coleslaw and sauerkraut, deserves a spot on your plate this winter. This crunchy vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cabbage is particularly high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and helps protect your cells from damage. It's also a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Enjoy cabbage raw in salads, shredded in slaws, or cooked into soups, stews, and stir-fries. Last but not least, let's give a big round of applause for collard greens, a staple in Southern cuisine and a nutritional powerhouse. Collard greens are a member of the cruciferous vegetable family along with kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, and they share many of the same health benefits. They're an excellent source of fiber vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron. Traditionally cooked with smoked meats, collard greens can also be enjoyed in salads, stir-fries, and even smoothies. So there you have it, 12 winter vegetables that are as delicious as they are nutritious. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health, these vegetables are your secret weapons for staying healthy and satisfied all season long. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Embrace the simplicity of fresh, seasonal ingredients, and don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Now go forth and create some culinary magic with these winter wonders.